Today, remaining part of 1.1 we are going to start. In last video, question number 1, okay, a few questions we did. We understood the concept of relations. We understood different type of relations. In relations, basically we are getting three types of relation: reflexive relation, symmetric relation, and transitive relation. And if a relation is reflexive also, symmetric also, and transitive also, then we can say that it is a what? Equivalence relation. Okay. So now we'll start our 1.1 remaining questions. Now we'll do question number 2. So exercise 1.1, answer 2. Show that the relation R in the set R of real numbers defined as R equals to AB such that A less or equals to B square is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. So Prince, tell me, if you want to prove it is not reflexive, then you have to search one example, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is the mechanism. If you want to prove it is not reflexive, then better find one example.
Yes, sir.
So here R is a relation on R, and here R is what? Set of real numbers, right? This R is relation and this R is set of real numbers, and R is defined as AB such that A less or equals to B square. Now we are checking reflexive or not. If it is not reflexive, then how we can check? See, 1 by 2 belongs to R, that is set of real numbers. Real numbers. Set of
Real number.
real numbers. But 1 by 2 not less or equals to 1 by 2 square. 1 by 2 is not less or equals to 1 by 2 square. We will cut it. It means 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 does not belongs to relation R.
Yes, sir.
Understood? Therefore, we can say that R is not reflexive. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Achha. Now check it is symmetric or not. So in case of symmetric, What example we'll take? Now for symmetric, it is easy. See, 1 less or equals to 2 square.
Yes, sir.
1 and 2 both belongs to real numbers.
But 2 1 does not belong to that.
Set of real numbers. Why I'm writing? Because both are R. Relation also represented by R, and set of real number also represented by R. That's why I'm writing here in bracket. Here, since 1 less or equals to 2 square, it means 1 comma 2 belongs to R, but 2 not less or equals to 1 square. Therefore, 2 1 does not belongs to R. So therefore we can say that R is not what? R is not symmetric. Now try to find example for transitive. Now for transitive. Now you have to choose properly number. Right? Acha,
Yes,
tell me what is the value of 5 square?
25,
5 square is 25.
5.
So can you say 24 less or equals to 5 square?
Yes, sir.
And 5 less or equals to 3 square? I'm choosing
Yes, sir.
I'm choosing 24 comma 5 and 5 comma 3 belongs to R. Why? Logic definitely will give 24 less or equals to 5 square and 5 less or equals to 3 square. So we can say that 24 comma 5 and 5 comma 3, these two ordered pair present in R, that means relation.
Yes, it is transitive.
But 24 not less or equals to 3 square. Therefore we can say that 24 comma 3 does not belongs to R. But condition was what? If AB, BC belongs to R, then AC should be belongs to R.
Yes, sir.
Here we are not getting. Therefore, R is not transitive. You can choose any other example. Okay, if you want to prove it is not reflexive, better if you take fractional number, then easily you will it. Okay, and if you want to prove symmetric, then like 1 2 or 1 3 or 1 4 if you will take, then easily you can prove it is not symmetric. In case of transitive, you will take middle one like that number, like you can take even 3 also, 4 also, 5 also, 6 also, and this first number you will take such that the square of this number and this number will be just nearest value. Okay, otherwise if we take 1 5, then what will happen? It will satisfy. But if you will take nearest number of 5 square, like even 23 if you will take, or 22 if you will take, or 20 you will take, then also you will observe it will not satisfy. Okay, so it is not transitive. So this is very logical question, and in board examination these questions came. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and question number 2 and question number 5 almost similar, and similar type of example you can take. So that question number 5 I'm giving as homework. Question number 3 and question number 4 I'll discuss now.
Okay, sir.
Answer 3. Answer 3. Check whether the relation are defined in the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as R equals to AB such that B equals to A plus 1 is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. Here also you have to check. So R is defined as, here given set is, let A equals to, given set is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So R is defined on set A, and R equals to AB such that B equals to A plus 1. Can you write in roster form?
Yes, sir.
Can you write it roster form? Okay. Acha, if you take A equals to 1, then what you will get? B equals to
Uh, it will
2.
be 1 comma 2,
Yeah. If 2 you will take, then what you will get?
2 comma 3.
Okay. But AB should be in, okay, A and B both lie or belongs to set A. So if you write in roster form, then it will easily you can decide it is reflexive, symmetric or transitive or not. So if you will take 1, then image of 1 will be 2. If you will take 2, image of 2 will be 3. If you will take 3, then its image will be 4. If you will take 4, image will be 5. If you will
Yes.
take 5, then its image will be 6.
6.
Can you take 6? Can you
Yes,
take
sir.
6? Because 7 is not belongs to A. So we'll
Yes,
get
sir.
this order paired only according to this condition. So 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5 and 5, 6. Can you say it is reflexive? Prince,
Reflexive.
can you say it is reflexive?
No, sir.
See, 1 belongs to A, but
1 1.
1, 1, any one example you can do, 1, 1 does not belongs to R.
Yes, sir.
So therefore, R is not reflexive. than symmetric. Here 1, 2 belongs to R, but
2 1 does not belong to R.
2, 1 does not belongs to R. Therefore, R is not symmetric. For transitive, in case of transitive, check it 1, 2, 3 and 3, 4. 2, 4 is present here? No.
No, sir.
2, 3 and 3, 4 belongs to R. But 2, 4 does not belongs to R. So we can say that R is not transitive. So it is neither reflexive nor symmetric and not transitive, right? Neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. Is it clear? Okay, fine. Now see next question. Question number 4. Show
Yes,
that the
sir.
relation R in capital R defined as R equals to AB, where A less or equals to B is reflexive and transitive, but not symmetric. Okay. So, answer 4. So here R equals to set of real numbers. Okay. So
Yes,
please
sir.
off your mic. It is better. R equals to set of real numbers
Yes, sir.
and R equals to, this is the relation. So AB such that what is given? A less or equals to B.
Yes, sir.
Such that A less or equals to B. So first we are checking reflexive or not. Acha, tell me if same real number you will take. So A less or equals to A will get or not?
If same real number we will take,
For all A belongs to real number, A belongs to R.
yes, sir, we will get.
Why?
Because
Because
A is equal to A.
A less or equals to A. Okay, less or equals. Either less or equal. If anyone will satisfy, that means that condition will be satisfied. That means we can say that A less or equals to A. So A belongs to R for all real numbers. Therefore,
Yes.
are each reflexive. Here note one point, you will not give any one example, like you will not tell you 1 belongs to R because 1 less or equals to 1, or 2 belongs to R, so 2 less or equals to 2. Okay,
Yes, sir.
then your answer will not be correct. If it is reflexive, then in general term you have to tell. Okay, so in giving one example, okay, you can't see. You will take just 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, and you will tell, and you will say it is reflexive. Then your answer will not be correct. So in
Yes,
generally
sir.
you have to take, but that means you are telling for all number of real numbers, set of real numbers. Okay, fine. Okay, now I am checking symmetric or not. Symmetric or not. In questions, they are saying it is not symmetric, I think. See here, read question once again. Question number 4 is reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. So you understood, you have to give one example.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So what example will take? 1 less or equals to 2, but 2 is not less or equals to 1. 1, 2 belongs to real numbers. Okay. Here, this is real number. 1 comma 2 belongs to R. Why? Since 1 less or equals to 2. Right. But 2 comma 1 not belongs to R, since 2 not less or equals to 1. Is it or not?
Yes,
Therefore,
sir.
R is
Not transitive.
not symmetric. Now, transitive. Now, since it is transitive, then giving example we can't say. Acha, logically you have to give. A
Yeah.
less or equals to B and B less or equals to C. छोटा कौन हो गया सबसे ज्यादा?
So can you repeat?
If A less or equals to B and B less or equals to C, सबसे छोटा कौन है?
A,
A और सबसे बड़ा कौन?
C.
तो A less or equals to C we can say. Let
Yes, sir.
A, B, C belongs to R, that is the real number. If AB, BC belongs to R, it meaning is A less or equals to B. Definition you write.
Yes, sir.
And B less or equals to C. So from here we can say that A less or equals to C. It means A comma C also belongs to R.
R.
So we can say that R is
Transitive.
transitive. So understood how you can prove if it is not, then take example. If it is reflexive or symmetric or transitive, don't give example. Write logically for all the elements.
Okay, sir.
समझ में आया?
Yes,
ठीक
sir.
है, ये चीज समझ में आने में बहुत दिक्कत होता है. काफी सारा स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे कंफ्यूज रहता है, तो एग्जाम्पल दे या फिर इन जनरल टर्म में लिखे. सो एग्जाम्पल हम तभी दे सकते जब वो रिफ्लेक्सिव नहीं है या सिमेट्रिक नहीं है या ट्रांजिटिव नहीं है, फिर तो हम एग्जाम्पल दे सकते हैं। लेकिन
ओके
अगर वो रिफ्लेक्सिव है या सिमेट्रिक है या ट्रांजिटिव है, तब लेकिन क्या हुआ, एग्जाम्पल देके बोलोगे ठीक है उस एग्जाम्पल के लिए सही है, बट फॉर अदर या नंबर, व्हाट अबाउट फॉर अदर नंबर, सो तुम्हारा आंसर इनकम्प्लीट होगा। राइट?
यस सर।
ओके, आ जाओ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में। नाउ आंसर 6, देखो क्या बोला है इसमें। Show that the relation R in set 1 to 3 given by R equals to दे रखा है 1 to 2 1 is symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive, ना वो reflexive है ना transitive है। ए भी पता है, ए भी these questions also came in board exam।
ओके सर।
so relation R given set क्या दे रखा है, A equals to 1 to 3 and relation is defined as 1 to और क्या है 2 1। ठीक है, सो इज सिमेट्रिक। सो पहले तो हम दिखाएं रिफ्लेक्सिव, नहीं होगा। क्यों? बिकॉज वन बिलोंग्स टू ए बट
वन डज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू ए।
वन वन डज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू आर,
आर सर।
तो देयर फोर आर इज नॉट क्या
रिफ्लेक्टिव।
रिफ्लेक्सिव। राइट? अच्छा, सिमेट्रिक के लिए वैसे तो यहाँ पे जो भी ऑर्डर पेयर दिया है उसका रिवर्स भी दे रखा है।
यस सर।
सिमेट्रिक, तो यहाँ पे हम लोग किस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं, ए बी बिलोंग्स टू आर implies बी ए ऑल्सो बिलोंग्स टू आर। क्लियर दिख रहा है, 1 2 है तो 2 1 भी है, अगर 2 1 है तो 1 2 भी है। सो देयरफॉर आर इज
सिमेट्रिक।
सिमेट्रिक। अच्छा, ट्रांजिटिव कैसे दिखाओगे? ट्रांजिटिव में कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन आना चाहिए ना। ठीक है,
सर ट्रांजिटिव नहीं होगा इसमें।
क्योंकि 1 2 है 2 1 है बट 1 1 1 नहीं है।
यस सर।
सिंस 1 2 2 1 belongs to R but 1 1 does not belongs to R, therefore R is not transitive।
यस सर।
राइट? अब आ जाओ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 में। अब हमें प्रूव करना है इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन, तो यहां से हमें इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन का क्वेश्चन मिलेगा। So
ओके सर।
answer 7. If it is equivalence relation, questions of equivalence relation, then it will be easier। क्यों बताओ तो? हमें तो पता ही है इक्विवेलेंस है, प्रूव करना है, दैट मींस इट इज रिफ्लेक्सिव, इट इज सिमेट्रिक एंड इट इज ट्रांजिटिव। तो देखो
यस सर।
7 में क्या दे रखा है, सो दैट द रिलेशन आर इन द सेट ए ऑफ ऑल बुक्स इन ए लाइब्रेरी ऑफ ए कॉलेज। तो यहाँ पे ए क्या है, सेट of books in a library। लाइब्रेरी, ठीक है। और
Yes, sir.
आर इक्वल्स टू एक्स वाई, मतलब कोई भी दो बुक जहां पे एक्स एंड वाई हैव द सेम नंबर ऑफ पेजेस। कैसे एक्स एंड वाई एक दूसरे के साथ रिलेशन में है, यहाँ पे रिलेशन बताया, एक्स एंड वाई
Why?
हैव सेम नंबर ऑफ पेजेस, राइट। Now we have to prove it is reflexive, it is symmetric, and it is transitive, ठीक है। So first reflexive prove करो। लाइब्रेरी का जो भी बुक है, अगर उसमें से कोई भी बुक ले ले, लेट ए बिलोंग्स टू कैपिटल ए। अब ए और ए अगर सेम बुक लेते हो तो उसका तो सेम नंबर ऑफ पेजेस ही होगा ना।
Yes, sir.
लेट यहां पे नहीं लिखना है, क्या लिखना है बताओ? फॉर ऑल दिस सिंबल, क्यों? सबके लिए बता रहे हैं। ओके, रिफ्लेक्सिव में फॉर ऑल लिखना, ए बिलोंग्स टू आर, क्यों? सिंस ए एंड ए हैव सेम नंबर ऑफ पेजेस, क्योंकि दोनों अगर सेम बुक होगा तो सेम नंबर ऑफ पेजेस होगा। इसका मतलब कोई एक बुक, अगर मैथमेटिक्स का कोई बुक है क्लास 12 का, तो सेम बुक का साथ रिलेटेड रहेगा, क्योंकि
Yes.
दो बुक में रिलेशंस कैसे हम लोग बना रहे, क्योंकि दोनों का सेम नंबर ऑफ पेजेस है। अच्छा, सिमेट्री। if AB belongs to R, इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? A and B have same number of पेजेस। अगर देखो ए एंड बी का सेम नंबर ऑफ पेजेस है तो बी एंड ए का भी तो सेम नंबर ऑफ पेजेस होगा।
Yes, sir.
बी एंड ए हैव
Same number of pages.
सेम नंबर ऑफ pages. It means BA also belongs to R. So therefore you can say that R is symmetric. अब last transitive. Okay,
Yes, sir.
if AB BC belongs to R, अगर ऐसा हुआ जो दो ऑर्डर पेयर, मतलब ए और बी, ए का साथ बी रिलेटेड है और बी का साथ सी रिलेटेड है, तो अकॉर्डिंग
Yes,
टू
sir.
डेफिनेशन व्हाट वी कैन से, ए एंड बी हैव
Same number of pages.
same number of pages, and B and C have same number of pages. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, ए का, बी का और सी का तीनों बुक का सेम नंबर है, सेम नंबर ऑफ पेजेस है। तो यहां से हम बोल सकते हैं ए एंड सी हैव
Same number of pages.
same number of it means A comma C also belongs to R. Therefore, R is
Transitive.
transitive. Now, since R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, therefore R is an equivalence relation. So last logic you will give, since R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, therefore R is an
Equivalence relation.
equivalent relation.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so our question's equivalence. So it will be, just correct it, equivalence relation. Equivalence relation. Okay, fine. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So once again, just check whole answer. So first, given set A equals to set of books in a library, R equals to XY such that X and Y have the same number of pages, right? Then for reflexive, how we prove? If any book we are taking from A, then A and A have the same number of pages, क्योंकि same books होगा तो same number of pages ही होता है. So we can say that R is reflexive. So here one line I have not written. Therefore यहाँ पे लिख देना R is reflexive. अच्छा, सिमेट्रिक के लिए क्या किया? If AB belongs to R, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? A and B have the same number of pages. फिर
Yes,
B
sir.
and A have the same number of pages. So BA also belongs to R, so R is symmetric. Transitive के लिए if AB and BC belongs to R, इसका मतलब हुआ A and B have the same number of pages and B and C have the same number of pages. तो यहाँ से हम बोल सकते हैं A and C have same
Have the same number of pages.
Therefore, AC also belongs to R. It means R is transitive. So, since R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, therefore R is an equivalence relation. Understood?
Understood, sir.
Okay. Now, आ जाओ. Question number 8. काफी बार आ चुका है. Answer 8. Show that the relation R in the set, given set क्या है वो लिख लो. A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 और क्या है 5. Okay, and given by R equals to AB such that A minus B is even. इजन इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन चलो रिफ्लेक्सिव दिखाते. अच्छा, अगर हम लोग सेम नंबर लेते हैं फॉर ऑल ए बिलोंग्स टू कैपिटल ए बिलोंग्स टू आर, क्यों होगा? सिंस ए माइनस ए इक्वल्स टू 0 इज एन इवन नंबर. 0 तो इवन नंबर होता है.
Yes, sir.
देयरफॉर आर इज रिफ्लेक्सिव, राइट? तो आर को क्या बोल सकते हैं हम? रिफ्लेक्सिव बोल सकते हैं. अच्छा, सिमेट्रिक के लिए देखो. अच्छा, ये सिमेट्रिक है कि नहीं? अब यहां पे अगर हम ले लेते ए बी बिलोंग्स टू आर, सो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस? मॉड ऑफ ए माइनस बी इज इवन नंबर. अच्छा, एक बात बताओ,
Yes,
mod
sir.
of a minus b and mod of b minus a will give same value, no?
Yes, sir.
Is also even. इसका मतलब हो गया b comma a also belongs to r.
Yes,
So
sir.
we can say that r is
Symmetric.
symmetric. अब रह गया थर्ड वन, ट्रांजिटिव. ट्रांजिटिव के लिए ए बी सी बिलोंग्स टू ए लो. इफ ए बी बी सी बिलोंग्स टू आर, अगर ये दोनों होता है इसका मतलब मॉड ऑफ ए माइनस बी एंड मॉड ऑफ बी माइनस सी क्या होगा? आर इवन.
Yes, sir.
अगर ये दोनों इवन है तो हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? मॉड ऑफ ए माइनस बी इक्वल्स टू k1 लिखो. 2k1 इवन है तो क्या? 2 एक फैक्टर आएगा 2k1 एंड मॉड ऑफ बी माइनस सी क्या लिख सकते हैं? 2k2. Where k1 k2 belongs to z. एनी इंटीजर हो सकता है.
Yes, sir.
नाउ a माइनस बी हम लोग क्या सीखा था? क्या होगा? प्लस माइनस k1 एंड b
Yes, sir.
माइनस सी क्या होगा? प्लस
Plus
माइनस
K2.
2k2. अब इसको ऐड कर दो. a माइनस बी प्लस b माइनस सी, सो प्लस माइनस 2 कॉमन, k1 प्लस k2. k1 प्लस k2 भी तो इंटीजर ही होगा. pb कैंसिल, सो a माइनस सी इक्वल्स टू प्लस माइनस 2 k where k equals to k1 plus k2 belongs to also integer. Mod of a minus c can be written as 2k. It means mod of a minus c will be is even. Logic should be clear here. So we can say that a comma c belongs to r. Therefore r is transitive.
Yes, sir.
Since r is a reflexive, symmetric and transitive, therefore
It is also an equivalence relation.
R is an
Equivalence relation.
equivalence
Relation.
रिलेशन. बट उसका साथ और एक पार्ट दे रखा है, इसको देखो. सो दैट तो वी हैव प्रूव्ड. अब इसका सेकेंड पार्ट. नाउ हियर दे आर आस्किंग show that all element 1 3 5 are related to each other and all element of 2 4 are related to each other, but no element 1 1 3 5 is related to any element of 2 4. We know that we know that difference between two odd numbers or two even numbers is always an even, है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
But one even number and one odd difference between. But here you write difference. Difference between one even number and one odd number. Odd number is not even. Okay. Therefore, we can say that 1 3 5 are related with 2 4. Sorry, 1 3 5 related with 1 3 5 and 2 4 related with 2 4. But 1 3 5 is not related with 2 4. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So after that you will write that line, then you will get the answer. Okay. So that logic for 1 mark, okay, you will get. So I hope understood. Now next
Yes,
question.
sir.
So question number 9 also similar type of questions. I am not explaining. I am showing question number 12. And rest of the questions you will do as a homework. Question number 12. Show that the relation R in the set A of a point in a plane given by, so here show that the relation R in a set A of point in a plane. So A equals to set of points in a plane. ठीक है. And R equals to, R क्या दे रखा है? PQ such that distance of point P from origin क्या हो जाएगा? OP and distance from Q, distance of Q from origin, that means OQ, ये दोनों इक्वल होगा. ठीक है. So A equals to set of point in a plane, R equals to PQ, where OP equals to OQ. So first check a reflexive. If you are taking same point for all P belongs to A, PP belongs to R. Why? Since OP equals to OP होगा ना. Therefore R is reflexive, right? So, R is symmetric or not? Symmetric check.
Sir, R will be symmetric.
Symmetric. Why? Suppose P and Q, 2 points I have taken, belongs to A. Okay. And if PQ belongs to R, मतलब क्या हुआ? OP equals to OQ. तो हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? OQ equals to OP also.
OP. Yes, sir.
It means Q comma P also belongs to R. Therefore, R is symmetric. अब आ जाओ ट्रांजिटिव. अब अगर हम ट्रांजिटिव प्रूव करते हैं, सपोज पी क्यू आर नहीं लेके क्या लेंगे? ए, कैपिटल ए ले लेते हैं. सिंबल एनीथिंग यू कैन गिव, नो प्रॉब्लम. A, B, C belongs to, suppose, A, set A, right? So,
Yes, sir.
if AB and BC belongs to R, it means OA equals to OB and OB equals to OC. तो हम लोग क्या बोल सकते हैं? OA equals to OC.
Yes, sir.
So we can say that A comma C also belongs to R. Therefore, R is transitive.
Yes, sir.
है कि नहीं? अब देखो, अगर R रिफ्लेक्सिव भी है, सिमेट्रिक भी है, ट्रांजिटिव भी है, so R is an equivalence relation. Okay. अच्छा, here one more part is given. We are doing question number 12. No, we did question number 11, I think. It is not question number 12. It is question number 11. So we did question number 11.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So is an equivalent. Further show that the set of all points related to point P not equals to 0, 0 is the circle passes through P with origin as center. We know that from definition of, here we can say, from definition of circle, we can say that okay, we can say that the set of all points related to P, set of all points related to P
Has same distance
is
K.
the circle,
Yes, sir. Very good.
is the circle passing through P passing through P with origin as center. क्योंकि अगर एक सर्कल हम लोग यहाँ पे मान लो P पॉइंट ओरिजिन से जितना डिस्टेंस इक्वल होगा, ठीक है, वो सेट ऑफ पॉइंट्स क्या फॉर्म करेगा, एक सर्कल को ही तो फॉर्म करेगा ना. दिस वाज द
Yes.
डेफिनेशन ऑफ सर्कल. हाँ, जो फ्रॉम O, if all distance of all points are same, then that set of points will form a circle, right?
Yes, sir.
So these kind of questions will prove like that. तो बाकी क्वेश्चंस भी इसी तरीके से हमें प्रूव करना है. Okay, I hope you understood. So
Yes, sir. I
I'll
understand.
finish here my video.